3, 2, 1. I just cannot get over how beautiful it is here. Just look at this view. It's amazing.
Stay.
Ready to go hiking?
Stay.
I'm so tired. I need my coffee. Dex, go hiking.
Come here, dude. Oh, I was gonna say.
Ready to go. Dookie lost his collar. Look at that tail wag. Look at that tail wag. Are you ready, Dex? Are you excited, puppy?
Okay, go.
Go, Lucy.
Go, Lucy. Get back. Get back.
We go see a pretty waterfall today. I'm so excited.
Go. Go.
Oh, and Lucy barely made it in. All right, let's go. We're gonna need to stop and get me some coffee first. Dex, you excited, buddy? Dexter. Hey, Dex. Kissy. Dicky. Dicky. Now we're ready to go. And of course, the view was absolutely gorgeous on the way there. And we made it. Just look at how gorgeous this view is. Can't wait. Of course, they had a map with us at the very start, but if you want to skip the hike and you would rather just head straight towards the waterfalls instead of turning into the parking lot, just keep going straight past the little check-in booth. Another thing to note is to let your dogs go to the bathroom here or before you come, because once you get past this part, there's no place to throw away the poop bags, and you definitely don't want to be leaving it on the trail. We always let our dogs out right before we leave, but every single time we stop, they always have to go again before we get started, so we usually like to take our time before we get headed right onto the trail. I'll also leave our favorite poopy loops and poop bags in the description for you guys.
Go.
I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this hike kicked my butt. I have not been good about working out lately, and so this hike definitely took it out of me. So I highly suggest really just taking your time if you haven't hiked for a while, and make sure you bring plenty of water. But the views and the hike was absolutely gorgeous. And if you're bringing your dogs with you, make sure you come either earlier in the morning or later in the afternoon, when the sun isn't so high in the sky and it's not as hot, especially during the summer months.
Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude.
And while the trail is dog friendly, no horses are allowed, unfortunately. And just look at this view. And if you're hiking in the summer months, make sure you give your dogs plenty of time to hang out in the shade and stop for plenty of water breaks.
Yeah, I mean, we're almost there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, 3 things over there. I didn't realize it's almost to my nose.
That's my puppy. Let's go, come on, go. And right after we took our water break, we were walking past and Dexter found a mouse on the side of the trail and ate it whole. It was absolutely disgusting. I was freaking out. So just be aware there is tons of wildlife here. So just make sure you bring a bear bell with you or something and just be aware of the animals around you. And of course, Lucy was already ready to give up at this point, but we definitely kept on pushing her, making sure that she got her exercise in. She is quite the lazy doggo. Luckily, the falls were not too much farther ahead. This is the very first waterfall we've ever taken our dogs to, so they were a little bit nervous, but they ended up crossing the bridge, no problem. Hey, let's go, come on, it's okay. And of course, Dexter's leading the way as usual.
Can we go around the bridge right there in the fall?
I don't know. We can find out. We gotta be careful with them though. And the water looked so beautiful. Yep.
Get back there. Get back there. There you go. Good boy. How's that feel? Good boy. You see, no, don't do that.
It's okay, buddy. He's like, he put me in the water. He put me in the water. Duke. Dookie.
I think over here would be better spot.
And by this time, our Queen Lucy was ready to go home and take a nap. Dex!
Sit. Sit.
No, Dex. Hey, buddy.
I think it's just my wet dog. I'm going to have to get there.
Yeah. Dex. Dexter, on the other hand, was having the time of his life. But he still wasn't really quite sure how to get into the water.
Can you get it?
No.
Go get it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There you go. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. Go get it. Here, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Hey, he got it! He got it! You're okay. You're okay.
Lucy! Look at Lucy got it!
On point.
Lucy got it!
Hey, Dex, come here. Come
They had so much fun playing in the water, and it was the perfect way to cool them off after our hike. We ended up finishing about 2 hours, so it was around, I'm going to say, like 10 or 11 o'clock, so we wanted to start heading back before it got too hot outside. But as I said before, if you're wanting to skip the hike and just want to head straight over to the waterfall, just continue through instead of parking into the parking lot, and then it's really not much farther after that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.